welcome to this very interesting show, Parichay, that is hosted by the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication of Fakir Mohan University. Friends, I hope that the videos that we bring out to you, you like them all. And the basic motto of this program is to introduce the students, introduce to our viewers the guests that come down to this university. And today we have a very special person with us, Chandrabhanu Patnaik ji, Director, Institute of Knowledge Societies. Sir, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is a studio of the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, and as an expert in filmmaking, as a person who talks about liberal arts, who talks about culture, anthropology, who is a filmmaker himself, how do you feel sitting in this studio right now?
Oh, it's wonderful. I'm quite amazed at what you guys are doing it in such a short time. Of course, I'm sure this will grow into much bigger things, but right now, what you have is very commendable.
So tell us about yourselves, a little bit about your journey. Like you started your education from which place? And,
Oh,
yeah.
I have had a very checkered career. Okay, my early schooling was in Shantiniketan. My father used to teach in Vishwabharati, so I studied in Shantiniketan. And then we moved to Pune. So I studied in Pune. And then we moved to Mysore. So I studied in Mysore. And all of these places, my father, being a linguist, had forced us to study in the local language.
Okay.
So I studied in Bengali, I studied in Marathi, I studied in Kannada.
So you're multilingual.
And then I had English and Hindi. I learned English when I came to grade 9, ABCD. And yeah.
So before that, because you lived in different parts, so you were studying in their
Yes,
local language.
yes. And I studied in grade 9, I started learning English. And by the time I came to university, I went to an English department to do my master's.
quite an interesting revelation. So कितनी भाषाएं आप बोल सकते हैं? क्यूरोसिटी आ रहा है मुझे.
वही तो मैं कन्नड़ा, बंगाली, मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, these are the
and of course Odia. अभी
हाँ,
तो ओडिया में भी बात कर रहे हैं.
Odia, of course, Odia.
So wow.
And a little bit of French.
So how did America happen then from India to?
See, I finished my master's in English literature in Mysore University, and then I was applying for scholarships all over the world. So I applied for a scholarship to go to because I had English literature. I wanted to do theatre. So I went to do a master's in theatre at the University of Toronto. And at that time, that was one of the best schools of theatre. I did that, and then I don't know whether you know the name of a very famous film director called Ingmar Bergman.
Yeah, I've heard of.
Okay, Ingmar Bergman is one of the greatest filmmakers of all time. So when I was doing my master's in theatre, I was sent to Sweden to intern with Ingmar Bergman. So I spent 6 months doing an internship with Bergman, and then I came back, and then I was applying for a PhD program. I got a PhD admission at the East West Center in Hawaii, and just at that time, government of India had just decided to start IGNOU. So the Vice Chancellor had come to Hawaii when I had just joined, and he said, "What are you doing here?" I said, "I'm just joined the PhD program." He says, "What? No, PhD program. We are starting a new university. You come there."
And which year was this?
This was in 1985, I think. That was the year when IGNOU was starting. So he said, "No, forget about all this. You just come back and you come and work with us." And because that vice chancellor was a friend of my father's, I had no choice. I came back and I joined IGNOU. I was, I think, the second or third producer
Okay.
of IGNOU at that time. And I was one of the 4 or 5 producers of India
Acha. Okay.
at that time, because there was no other TV stations, only Doordarshan. Doordarshan had 4 producers. Okay, and if you remember, there was a program called World This Week
Yes, yes.
with Pranay Roy
With Pranay Roy, yeah.
and Vinod Dua.
Yes.
Yes, and so I worked on that program.
Okay. Okay.
His wife, Pranay's wife, and I were working back of the camera. We were doing pretty much everything.
So we can say that जब से ये टेलीविजन जर्नलिज्म की शुरुआत है इस देश में, भारत में, आपने उस टेप्स के ज़माने से लेकर के
उससे
पहले के समय से लेकर के अब तक का पूरा सफ़र जो है आपने,
क्योंकि I worked in the site program.
Oh my God, that's fine.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So
you have seen all the phases from
Yes.
from terrestrial to the satellite to this entire.
Yes, and then when the airwaves became free, then I was working for Z, because Z was the first this thing. So I was working for Z. Then then after that I left IGNOU and I decided to go for a PhD program.
Okay.
And then I applied for a scholarship again. And that year I had applied for the Commonwealth Scholarship and the Rhodes Scholarship. And unfortunately, I got both of them.
And why unfortunately?
Because I couldn't take both.
So what then? Matlab
So
you
I
left?
I gave up Rhodes and took the Commonwealth Scholarship, went to Montreal to McGill University to do a PhD on in the Department of Communications, but my area was cultural studies and communications. And I was working with traditional media and all of that. And then after that, I stayed on in America for 25 years.
I have one question, it's not related to this journey directly, but then given your experience and given your first hand, you've seen all of these transitions and transformations firsthand, the courses on media related to media in this country is so different, I mean, from each other. कहीं पे cultural studies के नाम पे है, कहीं पे journalism and mass communication है, कहीं पे focus journalism पे ज़्यादा है, कम्युनिकेशन पे कम है, कहीं पे वो पूरा कोर्स ही कम्युनिकेशन पे है. सो सम पीपल से दे सी दिस इज़ अ ब्रांच ऑफ सोशल साइंस, तो कहीं उसके अंडर में इट्स लाइक अ स्मॉल प्लेस अंडर दिस बिग विंग ऑफ सोशल साइंस. आपको लगता है इतना ज़्यादा वेरिएशन है, कोई कॉमनलिटी है नहीं, या ये ठीक है ऐसा भी इट्स ओके?
देखिए, कम्युनिकेशन इटसेल्फ is a varied subject.
Yeah.
Okay, so journalism is a skill. Okay, I don't believe that journalism should be a degree course anyway. So it should be a skill course. But communication is a very varied this thing, and communication is there in every discipline.
लिटरेचर हो, लैंग्वेज
हाँ,
हो,
सब में है ना.
सोशल साइंस, साइकोलॉजी हो,
हाँ, सब में हो.
सब में है.
तो अगर हमको इफ वी हैव टू क्रिएट a department of communications, then we should be better than all of them, which unfortunately we are not. Okay. Because I remember a few years ago they changed the curriculum, and they had introduced Chomsky in one of the papers. I don't know.
We teach the filters of the 5 media filters of Noam Chomsky very popularly. It is there in pretty much like every curriculum that this country is offering.
problem is that nobody has read Chomsky. Okay, Chomsky is what you are teaching in a communications program is the is a very minute part of a much larger debate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so in order for us to understand that, we have to understand the larger debate.
The context has
The larger debate that is not understood at all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so similarly, I happened to grow up and go to university. It was by accident that I happened to go to the university when lots of things were happening in theory. Okay, so when I went to my PhD program, I worked with people like Umberto Eco. I worked with people like Derrida. I took courses with Derrida. I took courses with many of the people that today you guys read.
Yes.
Okay, you guys study. So I have either studied with them or I have worked with them. So for several years I was also the secretary of the International Semiotic Institute, in which Umberto Eco was the president. Then so many of these people I have gone through and met and grown up with. So when I come back from there and I see that all of what I had studied and developed and gone through, none of it is here.
There's a lot of scope for change.
Oh, yes.
Yes, and like we need people like you to guide us through all these changes.
No, nobody wants me.
No, but definitely we would love to just before some time we were talking about the community radio and how it can be a tool of learning for the students who are doing this course.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, the balance between theory and praxis by going out to the villages, talking to people, trying to bring about social media. That we are doing it here, sir, through puppetry.
Excellent. Yeah, I saw some of the stuff there and I'm very impressed actually.
So I think ये तो किस्सा है लंबा और ये चलता ही रहेगा, पर मुझे लगता है कि सर हमें जो है इस एपिसोड को बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, मन तो नहीं कर रहा है लेकिन सिर्फ और सिर्फ कुछ आप टिप्स हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को ज़रूर दीजिए. हम सारे हमारे जो अतिथि हैं उनको अनुरोध करते हैं कि वे 3 टिप्स आप बच्चों को अगर देना चाहें जिससे कि वो रोट लर्निंग से निकल के कुछ आगे जाके एक्चुअली ये जो कॉन्टेक्स्ट की बात आपने कही, पूरे कॉन्टेक्स्ट को समझना, उसको आत्मसात करना, तो इस तरीके कैसे वो डेवलप कर सकते हैं.
देखिए, मैं सबको बोलता हूँ कि आप पढ़िए ज़रूर, लेकिन टेक्स्ट बुक मत पढ़िए. हमारे यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में बच्चों को बोला जाता है टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ो, एंड आई ऑलवेज टेल माय स्टूडेंट्स, if anybody tells you to read a textbook, tell them to go to hell. Please don't read a textbook.
Okay.
This is number one. Because if you read a textbook, what you are talking about context simply doesn't exist.
Yeah.
Okay. The second thing that I would like to tell students today is that keep your eyes and ears open to everything that is happening around you. Even the smallest, most inconsequential thing that happens around you is something that you can learn from and use. Okay, and so this is the second thing. And the third thing, which I think is the most important thing, is always ask questions, challenge your teacher.
Okay.
Challenge your teacher at every step. That will make the teacher to study. Today the teachers are cheating you.
So बहुत ही ये सही बात है. This is very important to ask questions, and if students ask more and more questions, the teachers will also do the hard work. अब
Yes.
वो डरेंगे क्लास में आने से पहले, वो उनको लगेगा कि प्रिपेयर होके ही जाना चाहिए, अदरवाइज बेइज्जती हो जानी है. तो with this note, we come to end of this very interesting
Thank
episode
you.
with Chandrabhanu Patnaik ji. Sir, thank you so much for gracing
Thank
us
you.
so far,
No,
gracing
thank
the
you for
studio
having me. It was
and
wonderful.
coming down to this university. in the
It was
first
lovely,
place.
lovely.
So, देखते रहिए हमारा ये परिचय program and see you in the next episode with a new guest with some new learnings. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Namaskar.